Denise Grimes, who's the service manager of the Norfolk Recovery Partnership, but it was the Trust and Alcohol Drug Service at the time, approached me to join the commissioning team from NHS and the Trust to be part of that group who would make a tender bid for the new service. So I was able to give back in that way, which meant that I then became a board member of NRP. And I chaired the dual diagnosis group for the Norfolk Drug and Alcohol Action Team for quite a while. I'm now a service user governor and try and represent my constituents as best I can. But for me, for anybody around having recovery capital, which is kind of what we call it in substance misuse services, is about seeing different people at different stages of recovery and then asking the question of how they got there. About 3.5 years ago, I was approached by the Director of Operations and the CEO of the Foundation Trust, who'd been to a national conference and seen this presentation on IMROC. And IMROC is a national and international movement. It stands for Implementing Recovery Through Organisational Change. And through those changes, there's 10 key principles to those changes, and one of those is changing the nature of day-to-day involvement of service users. And it's very much about building a life beyond illness. It's very much about looking at what's in communities and asset mapping those communities. It's about not turning people into patients. It's about not parking people on prescriptions and leaving them just to wallow in society. It's about making people fight for their recovery. And there's been times where I've been really unwell, and I've been fortunate enough to have people foster that hope for me. And out of the whole IMROC process, we have peer support workers, so people with lived experience who are now working within both within NRP and the Mental Health Trust. And being a peer lead for Norfolk has really helped me. So I spend sort of half my week embedded in the adult recovery team, working with the Foundation Trust there, and then I spend the other half of my week in an office in the medical school, working with a guy called Tom Shakespeare, Dr. Tom Shakespeare, some people might know. And we're working in partnership, building an Experts by Experience faculty group, which is about bringing together staff, service users, carers, other organisations, and making sure that everything that the university does has service user and carer involvement in it, from admissions to module planning to interprofessional learning. And we're very passionate about that.